Hello YouTube, and today I'm going to show you how to fix this flush button or this flush on this toilet. So this toilet is a Siamp Optima 50, and it's the Optima 50 because it has the cable. If your lid doesn't come off your cistern like this, then click this link in the top right hand corner. They'll how to remove your cistern lid for an Optima 49. So with your cistern lid removed, you're going to undo the cable by pushing the button on the big white block, and that will release the button. I've then unscrewed the button from the lid, and then to unscrew the valve you want to turn it left in an anti-clockwise direction. But what you want to do is grab the cradle at the bottom and hold that still, and then turn the main body of the flush valve anti-clockwise like so. So you are going to need two hands in it, one to hold the base and one to turn it anti-clockwise. This will click out of place, and once it's clicked you should be able to lift it straight up like so. With that removed, you can then replace that with the new one, which it will be a Siamp Optima 50 or a Siamp Optima 49, whatever one you have. An Optima 50 is the cable version, and Optima 49 is the stiff version with the screw in button. So we're just going to remove this Optima 50 from the box, and inside it you'll have a button, the flush valve, cradle and some bolts. You don't need the cradle, so you can undo that from the base of the flush valve, and you don't need the bolts at all, but you will need the button and the flush valve itself. I'll leave a link in the description where you can pick up these parts for the best price. Once again, twist it in an anti-clockwise direction. Now once again you want to put the cable in the corner where the fill valve isn't. You want to locate the lugs onto the base, and with them located you just want to give it a quarter turn. Once again hold the base of it and click it into place like so, and then you need to see which direction you need the cable in so it goes onto the button. So this cable doesn't want to kink, it wants to be nice and free, so you want to find a nice looping action for the cable to rest before going onto the button itself. And then all you need to do is replace the button on the cistern lid. So inside the packet you do get the button and a shroud. With the China cistern lids you don't need the shroud, so you can just put that to one side. So get the button, push it through and hold it with your palm, and then screw on the back plate like so. Locate it where you want it and then just loosely tighten it by hand. Wrap the cable where you want it. Push it onto the button with pushing the button on the block. Then you need to maneuver the cable so it sits nicely inside the lid. And that is how you replace your Siamp Optima 50 flush valve and flush button. I hope this video helps. Please do give it a thumbs up if it helps, and do subscribe to the channel for more plumbing content. I hope this has helped. Take care.